How to use DogSpot in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, go to the search bar over here, and then on the search bar, just search for the bot of @doghouse underscore bot, and you'll be able to see this option over here. So just tap on that bot, and then as you tap on it, you can just see the option of start. So just tap on start and it will give you these options over here. So you just have to wait, and you can just directly tap on start. So just write the start option over here, then tap on view channel. As you tap on view channel, you can see the option of join. Tap on join, and then you can just view channel again. You can go back, and here you'll be able to start using the DogSpot and Telegram. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.